Are you using same quotation again and again? Yeah, I know that it's little bit time consuming, right? But don't worry, inside Odoo 19, we have a quotation template. You can simply create a quotation template and use them inside any sales orders. So you can simply create them inside the settings menu, or you can directly go from the options and you can create that. You can set up a validity period, you can add the product and everything as per your concern. Yeah, lastly, you can use them inside a sales order. So without wasting any time, let's directly move to the video. So let's directly dive into the sales module. And once we open the sales module, this feature is basically help you to save time by reusing predefined quotation format for your customers very easily. Creating a quotation template inside the sales module, we have two ways and two methods. So let's see what are that. For that, let's head over to the configurations. And under the configuration, there you can find the sales order. And under the sales order, there you can find the option which is called quotation template. So by clicking on this particular option, you can directly go to the quotation template dashboard and you can simply create a new one. Or there, else we can go to the settings menu and there we can find an option which is called quotation template, and we need to enable this option first to create a standardized offers with the default product using a quotation template. And there we have the default template. So if you want to set up any default template for every kind of sales order, you can simply provide that from here. And there we have the quotation template. And once we are clicking on into this particular internal link, we are directly moving to the dashboard of quotation template and we can simply create a new one. And there we have the default quotation validity in base of here we have 13 days, which default period during which code is valid and can still be accepted by the customer. So the defaults can be changed per order or template basis. Okay. So we are going to the quotation template. So here I'm using this method. I'm just going to the internal link of quotation template and there we have the dashboard. And there you can see the existing quotation template which we already created, and there we have the recurring plan which is repeating something. So we already know what you mean by a quotation template. So some kind of quotation template should be repeat in a monthly basis or a yearly basis or any 6-month basis, which is a service based quotation template. Okay, and there we have the company name as well as creating a new one. Just click on the new option and you will get a form like this. So you need to fill up all those configure option from itself. Okay. So here I'm going to give the quotation template name as the quotation template, demo quotation, and there we have the quotation validity. So you can simply specify the quotation validity, which is the number of days for the validity date computation of the quotation. So here you can simply provide that. So let it be 30 days. So once you're done with that, there we have the confirmation mail, which is this email template will be sent on the confirmation, leave empty to send nothing. So if you want to send any confirmation email, so you can simply provide a email template from here. So if you don't want to give any kind of email, you can simply leave or you can simply put this as empty basis. Okay, and there we have the company and invoicing channels. If you want to specify any particular invoicing channel, if set sales order with this template will invoice in this journal basis. Okay, so otherwise the journal with the lower sequence are basically used for this particular quotation. So if you want to add any specified invoicing journal, you can simply provide that by clicking on here. You will get the invoicing journal. So you can simply provide as per your concern. And there we have the code calculators. If you want to provide any code calculator, which is the shipping and assembly cost, you can simply provide that from here. And there we have the online signature and online payments. I know that you guys already know about what you mean by online signature and online payment, because while we creating a quotation, this will be very useful for all the salesperson, all the business person to easily complete or easily gain a sale order, which is online signature. So if you guys are just requesting to your customer to to give a particular online signature on the basis of this quotation. Okay, so request an online signature to the customer in order to confirm orders automatically. And there we have the online payment. you guys are requesting an online payment to the customer in order to confirm orders automatically. So you can simply specify how much percentage of online payment that you prefer to get from your customer side. And there we have the recurring plan, which this particular quotation is in basis of a service. You can simply provide a recurring plan which is a monthly, yearly, or a 6 month. Here it's not like there you can see the monthly, 6 month, and yearly. So you can simply choose as per your concern. So here I'm not going to choose anything from that because it's a demo quotation. You can simply customize your quotation template as per your concern, as per your needs. And there we have the product line, which you could simply add the product which belongs to this quotation. So like if a customer is purchasing a particular product in a weekly basis or a monthly basis, you can simply provide that product, which is the same product. You can simply provide that product inside the quotation template, and you can use the quotation template inside a sales order. So here I'm going to choose a product. So let it be, yeah, the customizable desk. And there you can provide the quantity. So let it be for quantity. And here I'm going to add one more thing, which is a stool in green variant. So let it be a 5 quantity. So you can simply add the product which is need to add in your product line, and you can also do whatever the thing which you can add the product, add a session, add a note inside the product line tab of the quotation template, which you can similarly see inside while we creating a sales order. And there we have the terms and condition, which the administrator can set default term and condition in sales setting. The term set here will show up instead of if you select this quotation template. So you can simply provide any terms and condition very easily. So once we are done with all of this configure option, let's simply say this quotation template. And here we are going to do something what? Yeah, we are going to use this particular quotation template inside a sales order, and let's see how it actually works. For that, let me move to the quotation, sales orders. And here I'm going to provide a quotation template inside that. So let's specify a customer, which is deco edit. And there we have the phone number, invoice address, delivery address, and everything. So here we have our quotation template. So once we are clicking here, there you will see all the existing quotation template. So there we have our quotation template, which we have already created, the demo quotation. So here I'm going to choose that, and there you can find the changes inside the order line tab and expiration and everything. Okay, which is there we have the products which we already add in our quotation template and everything. So in this way, you can simply create a quotation template and add this particular things, all the configure option inside a quotation template and using inside a sales order very easily. So this is basically very time saving thing, and you can use in a simple way within a few clicks without wasting any time. So I hope you all understood this video. So do try this on Odoo 19. Yeah, it will be very easy to make and use them. So I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye bye.